Cleaning the combine, a deep dive into agricultural vocabulary. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase that might not be familiar to everyone: cleaning the combine. This lesson is particularly exciting for those interested in agricultural vocabulary and idiomatic expressions. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning of this phrase, but also its significance in the agricultural world. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, cleaning the combine. A combine is a type of machine used primarily in farming. It combines three important harvesting processes: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. This machine is crucial for efficiently harvesting crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. Therefore, cleaning the combine refers to the process of removing dirt, debris, and leftover grains from this machine to maintain its efficiency and prevent any damage. Cleaning the combine is not just about keeping the machine clean, it's about ensuring the longevity and performance of the combine. Dirt and debris can lead to wear and tear, reducing the combine's efficiency and potentially leading to costly repairs. Additionally, cleaning the combine is essential for preventing the spread of weeds and diseases from one field to another. It's a crucial step in farm management and maintenance. Cleaning a combine involves several steps, which include: 1. Inspecting the machine for any visible debris and removing it. 2. Using compressed air or power washer to remove dirt from hard-to-reach areas. 3. Checking and cleaning the filters, including the air filter and fuel filter. 4. Lubricating moving parts to ensure they're running smoothly. 5. Performing a thorough cleanup at the end of the harvesting season to prepare the combine for storage. This process not only maintains the combine's condition but also prepares it for its next use, ensuring that it operates at peak efficiency. Understanding the importance of cleaning the combine gives us insight into the complexities of farming and agricultural practices. It highlights the care and attention farmers must give to their machinery to ensure sustainable and efficient food production. For English language learners, this phrase is a fantastic example of how language can provide windows into various aspects of life and work, especially in contexts that might be quite different from one's own. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, cleaning the combine, and the world of agriculture. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also broadens your understanding of different cultures and industries. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing words. It's about exploring the stories and practices that those words represent. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.